Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Happy Raksha Bandhan. Yes. Children, last week only one class we had. I taught you only for one day in class 2. So we started one subject. What is that? What is that subject we started? Yes? Social studies. Yes. So, children, in class 2, you are not having separate books for science or social. You study in class 2 these science and social under EVS. So, when you take your textbook under content, so you will find here EVS. So, what is EVS? Environmental studies. So, there are few lessons which are divided under science and social. So this is for term 1 book. Yes, children? So they are divided under science and already you had science class. So one lesson you have completed. What is that lesson? Food. Yes? So you find here food. So here today we will begin with one lesson under social. So already we started last week. Yes, children? And to remind you or to recall what you have learned in last class, I have given you small introduction about social studies. A very small introduction. What is that? A very small introduction I have given you, children. Social studies is also important subject like any other subject, math, science. Yes. Why? Because social studies is also an important subject. It teaches about our society, where we are living. Also, it teaches about our neighborhood, our locality, our environment, and also how we are ruled, how we are governed, about our state, about our country, and the world at large. So as you grow big, as you go to the higher classes, you will be learning geography, civics, history, and economics in social studies. Yes, children? And I also told you that we are all living in society. That means we are not living individually, but we are living in a society with a group of people. And there is one particular unit, a very important unit, which plays a greater role in the society as well as in our life. What is that important unit in the society that plays a greater role in our lives and in the society? What is that? Yes, children, recall? Already we have learned. Yes, it is a family. Yes, so today we begin again with lesson family. When you talk about your family, okay, so when we talk about our family, so personally when we talk about my family, it becomes my family. So today we will be learning about my family. So already I told you, children, family is an important unit in the society. Why? Because it plays an important role or greater role in our life. And it is also very important. Why? Because it is the first school where we learn many things before we come to the society. By the way, I have given you already the definition of family. So I explained to you what is a family in last class. Can you recall, children? What is a family? Family is a group of people living together. A group of people living together is called family. Yes, a group of people living together is called a family. Group of people living together is called family. Yes. And we also started little bit about learning family. Yes. So about this family. So shall we begin again, children? Yes. Do you recall what did we learn? We had one friend to explain. So who came to explain about her family? So what was her name? Yes, children, shall we learn in detail? What was her name? Do you recall? Nikita, girl called. She greeted you. Hello, I am Nikita. And she spoke little bit about her family. Yes, a very little bit we have done. Yes. So shall we do in detail today, children? Yes. Yes, children. So we all of us live in a family. Yes. This family plays a greater role in our lives. Also, it plays a greater role in the society. Why? Because family is the first school we learn many things. So, shall we learn in detail, children? Yes. So, we have again our friend with us. So, who is going to talk about her family? So, what is her name? Yes. So, the topic of our lesson is my family. Hello, I'm Nikita. I'm a girl. So she's greeting you and she's talking about herself, her name. What is her name? Nikita, and she's a girl. Ravi is my brother. I am his sister. Nikita also is having her brother. What is his name? His name is Ravi. Okay. So Ravi is a brother to Nikita. Yes. We live in our home with our mother and father. So with whom do they live? Nikita and Ravi. They live with their father and mother. Where do they live? In their home. Yes. There are 4 members in our family. So how many members are there, children? So already we said Nikita, Ravi and their father and mother. So altogether how many members? 4 members. So how many members are there, children, living? There are 4 members in our family. So there are 4 members in Nikita's family. Yes. And these 4 members. So these 4 members living in a family. So already we learned what type of family is a. We have learned, children, what type of family is a. It is a nuclear family. So Nikita is saying that so her family is a nuclear family. So what is nuclear family? What is a nuclear family? A nuclear family is also known as a small family. A small family or nuclear family is a family in which parents live with 1 or 2 children. Parents live with 1 or 2 children. So it is called as a small family or a nuclear family. Or small family. Okay, nuclear or small family. So what is that nuclear or small family? A family in which parents live with 1 or 2 children together. It is called as a small family. So you find here 4 members. Yes. So who are these 4 members? Nikita. Okay. Her brother Ravi. So brother, sister, father, mother. Okay. So you also call it as brother, son. You also call sister as daughter. And here, father and mother, they are called as parents. They are called as parents. So it is a small family, only 4 members. Brother, sister, father, mother, or son, daughter and parents. Okay. So son and daughter are the children of the parents. Yes. So this is a small family. Yes. Now Nikita is going to introduce other members of her family. Okay. They are not living with them, but she wants to introduce other members of her family. So who are other members of her family? Yes, children. So who are they? Grandparents. Who are the children? Grandparents. Who are the children? Grandparents. So who are the grandparents? My father's and mother's parents are my grandparents. So Nikita is saying that her father's and mother's parents are my grandparents. So we call them grandmother or grandfather, grandfather or grandmother. So who are these? Grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather are father's and mother's parents. Do we love our grandparents, children? Yes, we love so much, and they also love us so much. So already I told that why we love so much. They show so much of love and care on us, and they also tell about many stories, and they also teach us about our family, and also they tell many stories about family, etc. Yes, so they play an important role in our lives also. Yes, so grandparents. Yes, so now these grandparents, so where are they living? They live with my uncle's family. So where are they living? Nikita's grandparents. They are living with her uncle's family. My uncle is my father's younger brother. So apart from grandparents, so Nikita also is introducing her uncle. So who is this uncle? Yes, who is this uncle? Uncle is her father's younger brother. Okay, so we all of us have got uncles. Yes, so our father's brothers, mother's brothers, they are also called as uncles. Yes, his wife is my aunt. Okay, so uncle is having a wife. So how is she called? She is called as aunt. How is she called? She is called as aunt. So aunt is uncle's wife. Okay, children? Yes, grandparents, uncle, aunt. Yes, my cousins, my uncle's children are my cousins. Yes, my uncle's children are my cousins. So these uncle and aunt are also having children. Yes, how are they called? They are called as cousins. How are they called, children? They are called as cousins. Yes, they are called as cousins. Yes, so here Nikita introduced about her grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. Yes, so who are these grandparents? Grandparents are father's and mother's parents are called as grandparents. And uncle, yes, uncle is Nikita's father's younger brother. Okay, so it can be elder brother also. Yes, it can be mother's brother also. And uncle is having wife. So how the uncle's wife is called? Uncle's wife is called as aunt. How is she called, children? Aunt. Yes, uncle and aunt are having children. So maybe 1 or 2 or 3, whatever it may be. Yes. So how are they called? Cousins. How are they called, children? Cousins. Yes. So here grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. Okay. Their family is a joint family. Yes, children. Their family is a joint family. So here you are going to learn again one more type of family. Okay. Joint family. So joint family is also known as a big family. Is also known as a big family. So joint family also is known as a big family. So what is a joint family or big family? What is a joint family or big family? Joint family or big family means where grandparents live, okay, with uncle, aunt, cousin. Sometimes the parents also live. In some of the families, parents also live. So joint family means a family in which grandparents, parents, their children, along with uncle, aunt, cousins, they all of them live together. Okay, so they all of them live together in a big house. Why? Because there are many members, so they require a big house. They require a big house. They all live in a big house. Now, did you understand, children? What is a joint family? Joint family means a family in which grandparents, sometimes parents also, okay? So parents with their children along with uncle, aunt, cousins live together. So here in Nikita's family, so who are they living in joint family? Only grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins are living. Okay? So this is called as a joint family or a big family. Joint family or big family. Yes? So they all live together. They require a big house. And in joint family children, so you find, okay, they help each other, they do the work together, children also play together, they also eat together and enjoy together, etc. Of course, they require a big house to live in. Yes, children? Did you understand? Yes? So we have learned so far what is a family and types of families. So what is a family? A group of people living together is called a family. So types of family we learned. A small family. So as an example, Nikita's family. So in Nikita's family, how many members are there? There are only 4 members. So who are they? Who are they, children? Nikita and her brother and parents. Okay, 4 members. That is called as a nuclear family or small family. And Nikita also has got grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins. Okay, so they all live together. So theirs is a joint family. So in joint family, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins are living together. Yes, during summer vacation, we visit their home. We all enjoy living and playing together. So during summer vacation. Now what is meant by summer vacation? Summer vacation means holidays. So summer holidays. So during summer holidays, we get many days holidays, isn't it? So that time, so we go to our grandparents. We visit their home. We all enjoy living and playing together. Okay? So all the children, Nikita's family and her along with her grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins, all of them live together and the children enjoy a lot living and playing together. Yes, my grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins are my relatives. So here you are learning another term. Okay, what is that, children? Relative. So who are the relatives? So for Nikita, who are the relatives? Grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins. So all of them are called as relatives. Okay. So the relationship is connected by a blood, isn't it? So all of them are together. They are called as relatives. Why? Because grandparents, Nikita's fathers and mothers. Okay. They are. So Nikita's father's younger brother is uncle, okay, and his wife called aunt, and they have children, so they are called as cousins. So all of them are relatives, okay. Here you can see children, a family tree. So what is this? A family tree. So all of them are relatives. So you can see at the bottom, okay, starting. So slowly spreading, okay. So that means relationship between different family members. What is a family tree, children? Family tree is nothing but relationship between different family members. So all of them are called as relatives. And these relationships, okay, so among different people over a long period of time, sometimes one generation or next generation, it can be, okay. So relatives. Yes, children, did you understand what is meant by relative? Yes. Yes, children. So, yes, so far did you learn, children? Yes. So today, once again, I revise you. Today we have learned what is a family, what is a small family. Small family also is known as a nuclear family. Joint family. Joint family also is known as a big family. Yes. So now all of them are called as relatives. So all of them are Nikita's relatives. Yes, children. So I'll be giving you today as homework. So some of the words that you learn and write. Yes, you write in rough book, children. Okay, don't start with a new notebook. I'll tell you when to start the new notebook. When we do the classwork, that time you will be writing in a new notebook. So till then, you copy in the rough notebook. I'm going to give you some of the words that you write and learn. Yes, children, as homework. So write today's date. Also write social. So what is the subject that we started, children? Social studies. So homework. Learn and write. Okay. Family. Brother. Sister. Father. Mother. Nuclear. Grandparents. Grandparents. Uncle. Aunt. Uncle. Aunt. Cousins. Grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins. Joint family. Joint family. Summer. Vacation. Relatives. Yes, children. So all of them, please take down. So I request the parents to take the screenshot if your children are unable to write right now. So please give them practice. So the spellings and the words. Yes, parents, please take the screenshot. So the remaining lesson we will be continuing tomorrow. Okay, children. Good afternoon. Have a good day.